All right, this is going to be video number 3. Number 9 says provide the correct answer using proper notation. So you'll see this on your answer guide or your answer key. The letter U means union, and the N or the upside down U is intersection. So union means it contains all those points, right? Intersection is just like the intersection, where it intersects, the points where it intersects. So if you look at letter A, it says the array IB. Okay, and array NK, all right, you want to know what it intersects? It's going to intersect just right there, and that's line segment IN. So there's a beginning and an end. Okay. Look at the second one, ray ON is and the union of OJ. So ON and OJ, it's going to be, the union is going to be everything. So it's going to be angle NOJ or angle JON. Now, line segment GN, line segment NO, and line segment OM. So right here, the union of all three, you could simply just say line segment GN. The union, remember, contains everything. Line segment JB. Where are we? JB. Intersection of OF. So JB and OF. Where are we? Hold on. JB and OF. So OJ is going to be the line segment. So line segment OJ. Very good. And then ray, KD. Where's KD? KD. And KG. They want to know the union. So KG and KD, it's going to be line DK. Once again, KD. This is, well, it's telling you it's a line, right? Ray KD, so that goes infinitely. And then ray KG, so you can simply say line DK. That's going to be the union. Or you could say line DG, either way. All right, let's look at these on the side. It says, if a triangle is a right angle, then the triangle has a 90-degree angle. ABC, triangle ABC is a right triangle. So you want to determine if there's any conclusions. This is an if-then statement, which means if a triangle has a right angle, or if a triangle is a right triangle, then that triangle has 190-degree angle. So the conclusion you can make is, if it's a triangle, okay, if ABC is a right triangle, then it has a 90-degree angle. Not going to write that down. You have the answer to that. Now, this one, B, says, if cats prowl, mice will scatter. It's not an if-then statement. So if cats prowl, mice will scatter. But it doesn't necessarily mean then mice will scatter dependent on if cats prowl. It's not an if-then statement. So if mice are scattering, it doesn't necessarily mean anything. So you can't draw any conclusions. C is another if-then statement. If you enjoy all food, then you like cheese sandwiches. If you like cheese sandwiches, then you eat bread. So let's think about this. You enjoy all foods, you like cheese sandwiches. Well, if you like cheese sandwiches, then you'll eat bread. So if you enjoy all foods, you will eat bread. Okay? Or you eat bread, right? That's a conclusion you can make. Let's look at number 11. It says angle 1 and angle 2 are congruent, which means they're the same, right? Measure of angle 1 is equal to 2x. The measure of angle 2 is negative 3y minus 4. Measure of angle ABC equals 20x minus 80y. So you want to solve these. So let's see. ABC is equal to 20x minus 80. So just want to double check your answer key really quick. Make sure I'm doing this right. Let's see. Okay, so you're using system of equations, right? Both these angles are equal to each other, so you could simply say 2x is equal to negative 3y minus 4. And we're saying angle 1 and 2 and angle ABC is a straight angle. So technically, there's a comparison here. You can put where are we at here? 2x, 20x equal to 1. Okay, sorry. If it's a straight line, right, you could say its measurement is 180 degrees, 20x minus 80y. Now, this is system of linear equations. You want to match up your x's and your y. So we just move everything over, okay? This will give you, if I did this correctly, 2x, let's see, plus 3y is equal to negative 4. And you know how to do this, right? You want to cancel out one of these. I think your teacher multiplied this by 10, and she was able to determine that x is equal to 1. And then y is equal to negative 2. Okay, so plug it in. This is solving linear equations. You know how to do that. Number 12, name 2 points that are collinear with point E, so that fall on the same line, but that are not between A and D. So that's going to be point F and point C, and that's the only question that is left. All right, I think you're good to go there. If you have any questions, shoot me a text.